Hi, I'm Stevie. I'm from Barrow-in-Furness, Cumbria. And before I got in contact with MP Estate Planning, I was afraid of how things were going to go, how deep you had to go into things, how hard it would be. I didn't know how to get into these things, but phoning up MP Estate Planning, they just put me at ease with everything. They went right through it all in a nutshell, basically, and then explained it all. The problem to try and solve finding out about trust was how it worked, how it would help my children in the future of my death. It was all to do with like care fees, divorce, especially my children with divorces. But it all came to light and pretty simple, really, what to do. But it's hard to try and get around things when you don't know. I went to, well, two solicitors, in fact. They didn't really run me through it. It was pretty sketchy. But then I come across MPSA and they just made it so easy how to explain it. I'm not very good at listening, but I did listen to these people and they solved my problems very quick. Well, after working with MP Estate Planning, honestly, I can say a cup of tea and everything to them, I felt so relaxed and at ease with a lot of questions I had. And I came out with a big smile on my face. I really did. I feel a lot more at ease with it. And I know my children and everything through my estate is cushy. It's fine. It's sorted now. And I can rest at ease, excuse the pun, but I can rest at ease with my children now with this.